How to fix Google Maps arrow on wrong directions. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix Google Maps arrow on wrong direction. So on your Google Maps, if the arrow is being shown in wrong direction, then I'm going to guide you on how you can fix that. The first thing you want to do is head over to your settings. Now you want to scroll down and tap on the apps option. A list of all the apps installed on your device will be displayed here. You want to scroll down and find the Google Maps app, then tap on that. Here you want to tap on the notifications option and make sure it is allowed. Then you want to tap on the permissions option. Here you want to make sure the location is allowed, so tap on allow all time option. Once the location is allowed, you want to head back. Now scroll down and tap on the storage option. Here you want to tap on the clear cache option, then tap on clear data and delete all the application's data including files, setting, accounts and database. Once it has been deleted, you want to open the Maps app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account and now you will see that your problem has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, you want to restart your device. For that, you can press and hold on the power button and then tap on the restart option. Once your device has been restarted, this issue will be fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.